Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video I will be changing the theme skin on my Volvo XC60, and I will be doing that using the Orbit program. And if you don't know what the theme skin is, it is the theme that comes up on your driver display when you get inside of the car. So as you just saw, my car has no animation when entering the car. So we'll change that using the Orbit application. So we'll connect to the OBD adapter. And we'll connect to the laptop. And we'll use the Orbit application in order to make some configurations to get the new theme skins to the car. So I've now switched over to Orbit. First, you need your CM pin to be able to make any changes to your car. And you also need to create a profile if it's your first time using Orbit. And now I go into the configurator and search for screen themes. This brings up config item ID 168, which is the screen themes setting. Right now it's set to standard 1, and from here we can change it to a different theme depending on what you prefer. Here are the available options. 1 is standard, 2 are design, 3 inscription, 4 ocean race, 5 Polestar, and 6 excellence. For my car, I'll go with the R design option. Then I click Write to Car to apply the new change. And I got a warning about the 12-volt battery being low. I'm close to home, so I'll just proceed. And a new pop-up window shows up showing the current setting and the new one we're about to apply. Everything looks correct, so I'll click OK. The car will now start flashing. You might see lights, hear some sounds, and the screens turning on and off. That's completely normal. I'll speed this part up. The bar on the top has now turned green, which means the process is now complete. In the log below, you can see it says ECU flash successful, which confirms everything went through correctly. So I'll now disconnect from Orbit and then show you the result in the car. Alright, so the ECU flash was successful. So let's check out the new changes. Alright, so as you just saw, the R Design logo pops up every time we get inside of the car, which is a nice touch since my car didn't have anything show up before I did this configuration. And you can also choose between the other options if you'd like to. I do have more videos on these Orbit configurations that you can do to your Volvo. And I do also have a video on how to get started with Orbit, so make sure to check that out if you're interested in these kind of configurations to your car. So that was pretty much it. If you have any questions about this video, then please put them in the comments below. And as always, please like and subscribe. Thanks.